Welcome friends. With this article I'll guide you how to purchase BCPT coins. BCPT coin is one of the top trending coins which will uh, give you a good profit by 2018. I have invested a lot in this coin and now I'll guide you how to purchase this coin. First of all, I'll guide you to open this website by cryptocoin.org. When you reach this website, you will get the interface to register on different crypto exchanges. First one which is recommended is Binance. The second one is Cryptopia. So let's first move to Binance. We can check if Binance registrations are working or not. Sometimes due to huge traffic, the crypto exchanges halt their new registrations. So in this case, I've given the second alternative, which was Cryptopia. So when we reach this Binance website, we can click on register. You can provide your email, password, confirm your password, and then accept the terms and conditions and then register. You will get an email confirmation from the Binance team, and after confirming the Binance account, you can proceed to your Binance login. Login. You can provide your email ID. I have also enabled Google two-factor authentication. I would also recommend this that you guys also should do this. One second, I'll open my Google Authenticator app and then I'll put the code 275. So now you are into the Binance exchange. The best thing about Binance exchange is that you do not have to provide your ID details. You can just simply start trading the cryptocurrency within minutes. So on Binance you can deposit BTC or any other currency from any other exchange, and then you can proceed to buy the desired coins from this website, BCPT in this case. So you can check for BTC wallet here. What I did, I went to funds deposits and then I sorted for BTC. We'll get a BTC deposit address, copy this address, and then deposit the BTC directly to this Binance wallet. So when you'll receive the BTC here, you can go to exchange basic and then you can trade for BCPT. BCPT with BTC. Limit, market, or stop limit. Limit is like when prices are fluctuating, but you have thought of a particular price. You enter that price and then wait for this to happen. Market will give you directly whatever the price is going on in the market. So if I'm putting all my BTC here, currently I do not have any BTC, so it is just showing that I can just purchase one BCPT. If like suppose you're having suppose 20 USD BTC currency, and out of that you can purchase the BCPT from here. You can contribute the total amount or partial amount as per your choice, and then you can proceed to buy the BCPT coin. Similarly, there is an option to sell your BCPT coins. Currently I'm holding 561 BCPT. If I have to sell my all the currency, I'll simply select 100% and then I'll select sell BCPT, which I'm not doing now. This will give me a good profit. And similarly, when you get the coin purchase, you can check your funds and you can check for the available BCPT coin here. Binance is very good and reliable website. I'm also holding a quite good crypto coins here. See, BCPT is available here. You can check your funds and balances. And if you suppose want to send the available coins from this Binance wallet to some other exchange, You can simply select the funds and then withdrawals, and this way you can send to your some other exchange. But uh, let's get some profit and then we'll move to this step. So I think you guys will definitely invest in BCPT coin. This is a short recommendation from my side. Just trust me, guys. If crypto is going to survive, BCPT is going to be the king. So good luck. Purchase BCPT. The links I'm giving in the description section. You can always click the links. And if you have any specific question, you can directly put everything on the comments. I'll definitely reply to you guys. Have fun. Enjoy with crypto.